So you want to cash out your crypto? But your bank doesn't play ball? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the wild world of crypto and fiat, specifically the sometimes frustrating relationship between cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase and traditional banks. We've all seen it happen. You invest in a new coin, it moans, and suddenly you're sitting on a pile of digital gold. Now you want to, use that gold. Maybe you want to buy a car, put a down payment on a house, or just treat yourself to something nice. But then you hit a snag. Your bank, the trusty institution you've relied on for years, suddenly acts like it's never heard of Bitcoin, let alone your favorite altcoin. So, what gives? Why the disconnect? Well, the truth is, the world of crypto is still relatively young, and banks are, shall we say, cautious. There are regulatory hurdles, concerns about money laundering, and the inherent volatility of the crypto market itself. All of this makes some banks hesitant to deal directly with cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase. But fear not, crypto comrades. There are still ways to bridge the gap and turn your digital assets into spendable cash. So, let's break down the options and explore which banks might be a better fit for the crypto-savvy individual. First, let's talk about the most straightforward approach, peer-to-peer, P2P, trading. Think of it as a digital lemonade stand. You set up a P2P trade on Coinbase, agree on a price with another user, and they deposit the cash directly into your bank account. Easy, right? Well, kind of. P2P transactions can be a bit slow, and you'll need to be mindful of fees on both Coinbase and potentially from your bank. Another option is a debit card linked to your Coinbase account. Several providers offer these cards, allowing you to spend your crypto directly at merchants or withdraw cash from ATMs. Just remember, transaction fees can apply here too, and some cards might have limitations on daily spending amounts. For the high rollers out there are even cryptocurrency-focused banks and financial institutions. These institutions are built from the ground up to handle both fiat and crypto, offering services like check writing, debit cards, and even crypto-backed loans. This is definitely the most convenient option, but be aware that these new players might not have the same level of security or federal backing as traditional banks. Of course, the best option for you will depend on your individual needs and risk tolerance. Do your research, compare fees, and make sure any institution you choose is properly licensed and insured. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Are there any traditional banks out there that are actually crypto-friendly? The answer is a cautious yes. A few forward-thinking institutions are starting to dip their toes into the crypto waters, offering limited services like crypto custody or integration with certain exchanges. However, these options are still very much in the early stages, so don't expect your local branch to start handing out Bitcoin ATMs anytime soon. Here's the bottom line: the relationship between crypto exchanges and traditional banks is evolving. While there are still hurdles to jump through, there are ways to convert your crypto into cash. Do your research, choose the method that works best for you, and stay tuned as the crypto and banking landscapes continue to develop. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto banking.